Hello and welcome to this video on how to use Chatgpt to make money. First of all, let me start by saying that Chatgpt is a language model created by OpenAI and is designed to generate human-like responses to text-based prompts. It is not a platform for earning money directly, but it can certainly help you in your endeavors. Here are a few ways you can use Chatgpt to make money. Content creation. If you're a content creator, you can use Chatgpt to generate ideas for blog posts, videos, or even social media content. Chatgpt can help you generate headlines, introductions, or even complete articles that you can use as a starting point for your content creation. Customer support. If you run a business, you can use Chatgpt to provide automated customer support. Chatgpt can help answer common questions or provide solutions to common problems, which can save you time and resources in the long run. Virtual assistants. Chatgpt can help you automate repetitive tasks such as scheduling appointments, answering emails, or even managing your social media accounts. This can free up your time and allow you to focus on more important aspects of your business. Language translation. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can use Chatgpt to provide language translation services. You can use Chatgpt to translate text from one language to another and charge a fee for your services. In conclusion, while Chatgpt is not a direct way to earn money, it can certainly help you in your money-making endeavors. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner, or a language translator, Chatgpt can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So, go ahead and explore the possibilities.